ସମୁଦ୍ର ହୋଇପାରେ। ସେହିପରି ଆମର କ୍ଷୁଦ୍ର ଚେଷ୍ଟା ଜାରି ରହିଲେ ଆମ ଦେଶ ହୋଇପାରିବ ସ୍ୱାବଲମ୍ବୀ ତଥା ସମୃଦ୍ଧଶାଳୀ ଦେଶ, ଯାହାଦ୍ୱାରା ଆମ ସ୍ୱପ୍ନ ବାସ୍ତବର ରୂପ ନେବ। ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆମ ଦେଶ ହୋଇପାରିବ ଆତ୍ମନିର୍ଭରଶାଳୀ ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ର। Good morning, respected principal sir, all the teachers and revered members of the judgment panel. I, Daurpa Naik, and she, Akanksha Naik, and he, Subhashis Rao, on behalf of Invincible Yazoo House, welcome you all to the knowledge-packed presentation of our bulletin.
Self-reliance is the ability to do good things and to make their own decisions without needing one's help. And it is much inspirational and morally responsible project. Atmanirbhar Bharat is a productive initiative taken by the government which aims to make the country and the citizens independent and self-reliant in all aspects. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas or Sabka Prayas.
Giving the visions and objectives of the project much importance, we took utmost care to place all these elements in our board. Dear sirs, like to have your attention on these 5 pillars of self-reliant India. The pillars which lead our country to achieve the self-reliant India. Economy, infrastructure, system, vibrant demography and demand.
It is really a matter of pride and happiness to know the fact that the spirit of Swadeshi is in the blood of Indian right from Gandhian people. And we made a chakra to emphasize more on Atmanirbhar Bharat.
This novel project has been called a repacked version of revival of Make in India by using new slogans such as Friend for Yourself, Economic Nationalism, etc. By giving sketch to some of these important slogans, we wish the lookers of our board to get inspired by and join their hands by themselves to be a part of this mission.
Then sirs, one of the important part is in Atmanirbhar Bharat and defense. In India, the defense system is formed, so it is made. And it is important as it consists of many things.
Now I would like to have you look on this part of the board, which is really thought-provoking. This is the chakra which impulses the whole version of self-reliant India. When individuals become Atmanirbhar, the societies become Atmanirbhar, and the states at least become Atmanirbhar, and finally our nation becomes Atmanirbhar. Self-reliance does not start from somewhere but from individuals or from within. That is why we felt it important to even decorate the borders. We have decorated the bottom part of the border with individuals joining their hand to make this mission a successful one. And the sides of the border are decorated with flowers which represent success. This cycle moves from individuals to societies, from societies to states, from states to the nation finally.
Then sirs, it is the most important and crucial part of the board. It is important as it includes various parts to achieve the main objectives of the Atmanirbhar Bharat, so to see India Vishwa Guru Bharat. Hence, sirs, we request your attention here. These steps include health and fitness, skill-based education, knowledge of economy, digital India, Make in India, local for vocal, and Vishwa Guru Bharat. And the health and fitness is considered important as the government has announced in February 1, 2021, Prime Minister Atmanirbhar Swasthya Bharat Yojana to emphasize more.
Sirs, government knows well that skill-based education is another way for achieving self-reliant India. And that's why they have included a new education policy which proposes the revision and revamping of the new education policy, and that's why we have placed it on the second step of our board.
Achieving self-reliance in economy is considered important as to reduce the demand for foreign products. So knowledge of economy is important. So we placed it on the third step.
Digital India is a mission that is started by Government of India to transfer India into digitally empowered society, through which self-reliant India is easily achievable, and that's why we placed it on the fourth step of our goal.
Our next focus is on Make in India, which is a major national program of the government which facilitates the investment and manufacturing structure in the country.
The last step which shows vocal for local, which is slightly different from Make in India. This slogan represents the indigenous products and the industries within the country. This is the slogan that is represented by India to inspire others. If each and every citizen of India thinks about Swadesh, then India being self-reliant is not so hard task, but a possible mission in the nearest future. If this noble project found a place in everyone's heart, then India being self-reliant is not an easy task.
The shloka from Mahabharata Vanaparva says, Api Shant Pachanasya Sukham Ve Magvan Gruhe Arjanti Swain Virenya Na Vapashit Kanchan, which means that even he is happy who cooks little leaves for his food without depending on others, which is the core idea related to Atmanirbhar Bharat. And may someone be from Odisha or Maharashtra, but this spirit of Swadeshi should continue. And sisters, let us join hand to make this a big success. Divided by the states, united by the nation,
Let us always be a part of promoting this program. Happy Independence Day and Jai Hind!
Any example of recent past